Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the oil and oil filter in a car.
Check the
Let's
mic
start.
and make sure it sound right, boys.
First of all, jack the car with a floor jack and secure it with a jack stand. This is the drain plug and you need a 24 mm socket. You need some kind of oil can or bucket for the drainage of old oil. Put that oil pan right underneath the drainage plug and unscrew the drainage bolt. A long ratchet or breaker bar is recommended because this drain plug can be very hard to remove. Here you can see I'm using long ratchet. Unscrew the bolt. I'm testing out my new magnetic tool to help unscrewing the bolt to prevent spillage on my hand and arm. You will see in a second what I'm talking about. You see that what I was talking about? Actually it really worked good. Let the oil drain for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can remove the old oil filter and replace it with the new. Next, open up the hood. And secure it with this metal bar. This is oil filter. To remove the oil filter, you need 27 mm socket and the long extension. Usually, air filter comes out so easily, but this one is stuck, so I'm gonna use long ratchet for that. Here you go, it got loosened. Remove the old filter and the seal and replace it with the new. The new filter should come up with the new seal. Install the new seal and the filter. Let's put the new filter in, but before putting in, make sure that new filter matches the old one. You can see there is a small notch on the bolt part of the filter, which helps in holding the socket so it won't fall off. Just make it snug tight. It does not need high torque, just hand tighten kind of thing. You can also use a torque wrench and torque it down with the vehicle specific torque numbers. You can find it in a car user manual. For this car, it is 25 Newton meter. Clean up the drain plug. The drain plug is strongly attached with the magnetic tool. This tool really works good and is very cheap. Some cars' drain plug has a washer on it, but this specific car has built-in washer attached. In case there is a separate washer, it's always good to use the new washer. The torque specs of this bolt is 30 Newton meter. This specific car uses 5W40 type oil. You can check your car model specific oil from your user manual. Let's fill up the oil. 4.5 liter needed for this specific car. Install back the cap, snug it tight. After filling up the oil, it is a good idea to start the car and check any leaks from the oil filter and the drain plug. And make sure to check the oil level is right. You can check it with the oil dipstick. These two red circles shows the maximum level and the minimum level. And you can see maximum level is good. Job is done. Thanks for watching.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.